The shofar is an integral part of the high holidays. And what's interesting is that the notes of the shofar tell the story of Jewish resiliency. There are 4 notes. The first is tekiah, which is a solid blast. The second is known as shavarim, and it's made up of 3 short, quick blasts of the shofar. And then we have teruah, 9 short blasts of the shofar. And finally, we have tekiah gedolah, the great tekiah, the long note that we drag out as long as our breath allows us to do so. For me, the story these notes tell, again, is the story of resiliency. We start our year, hopefully, as a tekiah gedolah, strong, forceful, with so much energy, having been renewed by the holy days that we're about to enter, having been renewed by the rituals that are involved with the high holidays, having been renewed by forgiving, being forgiven, being together with community, family, and friends. And over the year, because of life and the challenges that life throws at us, that tekiah gedolah becomes a shorter, regular tekiah. And then slowly, as life throws us curveball after curveball, things start to break up into pieces. We go from tekiah gedolah to tekiah, to shvarim, to the broken 3 pieces, and finally to teruah, which are those 9 broken notes. But yet, after teruah, we have the sound of tekiah gedolah once again. We have the ability, whether it be through the rituals of the high holidays or other rituals or practices in our lives that fill us with strength, we have the ability year after year, month after month, day after day, to find within us that strength to take the broken pieces and make them not just whole, but whole in a powerful and incredible way. So I'm going to sound the different notes, and I just want you to listen as we go from tekiah to the broken pieces to that whole, beautiful, strong, hopefully I'll do a good job at it, tekiah gedolah. This is the Jewish music of resiliency. So I wish all of us a journey towards that tekiah gedolah that we all deserve. We all have the strength within us to find that tekiah gedolah. And I look forward in a very short time to begin that journey with you, the high holidays, when we get to sound the shofar and find that strength, that resiliency inside of each of us. I want to thank all of you for joining us on this journey through resiliency, this Elul project. I've so enjoyed being a part of it with you and responding to lots of your comments in the WhatsApp group, and I look forward to more comments. See you all soon.